successful operation at Gaziantep University, GAUN, Şahinbey Research and Application Hospital. A $150,000 artificial heart pump, Turcica, was installed in 25-year-old cardiac patient Vakkas Öztürk. GAUN Faculty of Medicine Cardiovascular Surgery Specialist Drive. A team of 7 people headed by Haşim Üstünsoy successfully installed the artificial heart pump to the heart patient Vakkas Öztürk after a 2-hour operation. As a result of the successful operation, Vakkas Öztürk, who gathered himself in a short time, came across the press members with his doctors and answered the questions asked to him. Showing the artificial heart of the $150,000 purchased as a result of the state zoning to him. Professor Dr. In his statement, Haşim Üstünsoy said that Vakkas Öztürk, who has heart failure, is forced to wear an artificial heart pump, and when a suitable heart is found, a heart transplant will take place. Stating that Vakkas Öztürk has been receiving drug treatment for 2 years, Professor Dr. Üstünsoy continued his words as follows. The disease was not advancing any longer because it was progressing. The patient had to be transplanted by finding a suitable heart for the definitive treatment. However, a suitable heart could not be found for our patient who has been waiting for a heart transplant for 2 years. The heart pump had to be worn. In our hospital, we performed it first and put a heart pump on our patient with a successful operation. Play video. Our patient will continue his daily life. Professor Dr. Haşim Üstünsoy stated that the patient, who has an artificial heart as a result of a successful operation, is in good health and will continue his daily life with an artificial heart pump he learned to use. Stating that the artificial heart pump has a feature that can be used for 5 to 6 years, Üstünsoy said, our goal is to be able to gain time for a heart transplant. Because our main goal is to find a suitable heart for our patient and to perform a real transplant. Our patient will be constantly under control of our hospital and discharged. He will come to our hospital at certain intervals. Vakkas Öztürk stated that he was very happy to be brought back to life with an artificial heart pump and said, I am a child of a poor family. I only have a green card. I am happy because my state has taken care of me. God bless you, expressing that he lived in Bosni district of Adıyaman and went to hospitals for a long time due to his sudden illness. Öztürk said, my disease was not diagnosed in Adıyaman and he referred me to Gaziantep. Here, I was diagnosed with heart failure. I was suffering because my disease no longer responds to drugs. As a result, the state claimed me and an artificial heart pump was purchased for $150,000. After a successful operation of my doctors, I gained my health. I am very happy.